We want to find an equivalent ratio or the unknown part of equivalent ratio. So in this case here, we're looking for that part there. We've been given the ratio 25 to 75, and we're going to find that unknown part by finding the multiplier, just like we did with equivalent fractions. So to find a multiplier, I take my calculator and I'm going to divide the two numbers, 75 and 15. So in this case here, if I do 15 divided by 75, I'm going to get 0.2 as my multiplier going from bottom to top. Now, I kind of would like to use the whole number multiplier here. So I'm going to use divide 75 by 15. So 75 divided by 15 on my calculator is going to be 5. Now going from bottom to top, I need to divide by 5. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I divide by 5, and in doing that, I'm going to divide by 5 on the other side, and my unknown proportion is 5. So 25 to 75 ratio is same as comparing 5 to 15. The starting ratio that I have here is going to be 8 to 3. 8 parts to 3 parts. I'm going to divide these two numbers to get that multiplier from top to bottom. I end up with 18 divided by 3 is 6, so I'm going to multiply by 6 to go from 3 to 18. So I'm going to multiply by 6 on the other side. 8 times 6 is going to be 48. From here, we're going to, again, if I want to find my multiplier does not need to be a whole number. So 21 divided by 14 is 1.5. So I'm going to times by 1.5 going down. So I'm going to times by 1.5 on the other side. Remember, you divide to get a multiplier. So 8 times 1.5 gives me 12. So comparing 14 things to 18 in a ratio is same as comparing 21 to 12. Here I'm going to divide these two numbers. I'm going to divide in the opposite direction. So I'm going to do 18 divided by 12. So on my calculator, 18 divided by 12 is 1.5. But I'm going in the wrong direction. So I'm going to divide in this direction. Okay, so 18 divided by 12 is 1.5, but because I want to go in the opposite direction, I'm going up. I need to divide. So I'm going to divide by 1.5 here. 6 divided by 1.5 is 4. So comparing 18 things to 6 is the same as comparing 12 to 4. In the opposite direction, I'm going to times by 1.5. So going from 18 down, I'm going to times by 1.5. So I get 27. So we want to be clear the direction because we're going to times one way, divide the other. So 18 compared to 6 is same as 27 compared to 9, which is the same as 12 compared to 4.